Hi, this is Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog, and in this quick tutorial we will add another language to your keyboard. To start, let's open your Windows settings, then go to Time and Language tab from the sidebar. After that, click on Language and Region. In the next screen, you will see an Add a Language button. Clicking on it will show you all available language. For me, I will choose Hindi as my additional keyboard language. When selected, click Install to include that language to your input method. Now go back to Time and Language and choose Typing, then Advanced Keyboard Settings. In the last screen, you will see that Hindi is now shown in my default input method dropdown. Let's select Hindi as my input method. You can also change it from the taskbar anytime. Now let's check if the keyboard's language got changed or not. As you can see, I can type Hindi in English by changing the language from taskbar. That's all for today, guys. We'll be back with a new quick tutorial. Till then, please like and subscribe my channel, Mr. Pumpkin's Tech Blog.